how to create an event on the Volandoo platform. The first thing you have to do is basically ask us, and then we'll create the event. We'll give it a name and a slug. The slug is the end of the URL. And that's it. Once we give you access, then this is what you see. So we're going to add a header image really quickly. Now this header image has a predefined size, so we're just gonna adjust it. Something like this is fine. We're gonna hit update. Now we're going to add a logo. This could be the logo of the event, or maybe the logo of the club, or just anything you like. Now we're gonna change the event dates. Let's say that this event is going to be from the 21st to the 25th of December, which is Christmas, whatever. Let's just update it. That's it. Now we're going to get some fake text for demo purposes, and we're gonna copy and paste. This is the event information right here. You can add text, you can format it, you can add images, tables, anything you like. Save it. And if you want, you can even add more sections. You can add as many sections as you'd like. So something like payment, info. Again, you can just add any type of text you want, and we're going to save it. Cool. Let's go really quickly to the settings. The first option setting that we have is the registration dates limitation, in case you don't want people to sign up for the event before or after these dates. So I'm gonna do from the 14th until the 22nd, and then the event type. I'm gonna say this is competition. Modality, I'm gonna say paragliding. Whether you want to use a tracker or not, trackers are not available yet. They will be at the, I don't know, maybe early 2024. If you use a tracker, you will be able to add a delay on the map, on the public map. But you will have another map where you will see everybody in real time. If you don't use a tracker, you cannot add a delay. Recording type, normal means that the tracking stops when you land. Non-stop means keep tracking the pilots even though they landed, so you can see where they are all the time. Or hike and fly records your hikes and all of your flights. So this is mainly for hike and fly competitions or events. The event privacy, private or public, we encourage everybody to make them public, so there's more visibility. And the maximum participants. Now remember, every time you touch something, it automatically gets saved, so there's no save button anywhere. And these are uploads, so you can upload files like PDFs or waypoints or any other. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. The event content. We have this activate event toggle. What this does is basically allows the pilots to fly in the event. So for the pilot to fly in this event or in this competition, the event needs to be activated, and it has to be in between these dates. Say that this is a 5-day competition and you have a cancellation for weather or whatever happened, you can deactivate the event for that day if you want. Event map, you can select flying sites. So say that the event is going to happen in this area. This is not the best option. In this area right here, and you have a bunch of different options for takeoffs. In case the weather is bad in one area, you can go to the other one. Every time somebody flies using the Volandoo app, the flying sites are registered in the database, so you have access to them over here. Okay, you can also add another marker if you hold down, and these are added to this text field that you can always edit. Let's move on to the tasks. You can upload as many tasks as you want anytime. You can rename them. Task 1. Every time you add a task, the one that you added will be selected. You can add multiple tasks and then you can select which one you want to use, and you can also select the task at the moment of the competition, so that you actually create a task before you go fly. You can always have upload it and select it. When you select it, this will be drawn on the map. Results, this is in case you want to upload the results from FSComp. And then participants, you can either add them manually like this. I'm gonna add myself. I have a couple of test accounts. Every time a new participant is added, you can cancel their participation, you can confirm, or you can delete them. Registration form, by default you have only these 4 fields, but this is very customizable, so you can add more field. You can add this one like sponsors. You don't need to add placeholder or hint, so this could be a required or not, or you want to show in public. I'm going to remove this guy and save it. You can add, say, a single choice option, so this would be a shirt size as an example. So you can do, XL, save it. So we do L, M, and if you'd like, you can add another one. You can add as many options as you want. So I'm gonna delete, and you can also delete. Yes. You can make this required, you can make it show in public, whatever you want. And that's it, that's about it. This is how you create an event in Volandoo. Now, how do I see the event as like somebody who's not an organizer? You basically go to this link. So this is the link that you can share with anybody. They can see all the information that you added. They can see the map. I still need to translate, do some translations, but you get the idea. These are the downloads, and this will be the participants. And if somebody else wants to sign up, they can always register, and that's it.